When does options market close in Webull? Webull offers options trading functionality, including after-hours trading access. The standard U.S. options market operates from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and Webull aligns with these hours for most options trading. However, Webull also provides extended trading hours for equities, 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, though this does not typically apply to options trading. Unlike stocks, options are not accessible during pre-market or after-market sessions, making their trading hours more restricted on Webull compared to equity markets. Users appreciate Webull's commission-free options trading and robust analytics tools, including advanced charts, implied volatility calculations, and risk analysis. These features are especially appealing to both beginners and experienced traders seeking detailed insights into the options market. However, some users find Webull's lack of multi-leg option strategies cumbersome, as it requires manual execution, which can lead to errors or missed opportunities. Additionally, Webull's options pricing and tools are often lauded for their clarity and simplicity, although they lack the comprehensive depth offered by platforms like thinkorswim or interactive brokers. On the downside, options traders have noted occasional execution delays during high-volume periods. Such lags can result in unfavorable price fills, particularly when trading volatile or illiquid options contracts. Another limitation is the absence of automated trading features or algorithmic options tools, which are offered by some of Webull's competitors. Webull appeals to cost-conscious traders and those new to options, but the platform's limitations in order complexity and advanced features may deter highly sophisticated traders. Overall, while Webull is an accessible and efficient platform for straightforward options trading, users should weigh its simplicity and cost benefits against its feature constraints, particularly if they require extensive customization or automation for complex option strategies.